so much. Yo, they always make sure mommy eats. And then they always get daddy some too. We gotta eat, right? We gotta eat.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We gotta eat.
Yeah.
Okay. Eat.
Huh. Huh.
Is this a strawberry? Strawberry. Where's that strawberry at? Strawberry, strawberry, da 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 da. Come here. Is this you? It's you. Come here. Is this you? It's a strawberry.
Mama. Mommy.
What?
Here, I'm doing it.
It's a cupcake.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Whew.
Here.
That cake in my stomach hurt.
Huh.
Alright, look. Go make mommy some chicken.
Huh?
Give me some potatoes. Give me a carrot.
Huh?
Yeah. She really brought me a chicken. Look at it. When I tell you my baby is smart, she is smart, y'all. She's very smart. She brought me a chicken leg. Hey, go get mommy a carrot.
Apple.
It's not carrot, but mommy loves chocolate. Yeah. Y'all look, she mommy chocolate. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I'm ready.
So anyways, I hope everybody's having an amazing day.
Hey. Hey. Apple. Apple.
Two. You want me what is this? A cola soda.
Stop.
Be nice.
Want it. Stop.
Okay.
Huh?
It's hot.
Huh?
Ha. Woo, woo, woo.
What are hot
It's chicken. Say chicken leg.
Chicken.
Chicken leg.
Chicken leg.
Wait.
Chicken leg.
Wait. Look. It's called chicken leg. Let's say chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Good girl. Chicken. Here's your spoon.
Chicken.
You like chicken?
Yeah.
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 Ooh, yum, yum. It's so good.
Apple.
You like an apple?
Apple. Huh.
Thank you. I got all the dessert. Wow. Cupcakes and chocolate, ice cream. That is just so much sweets. Yo, I'm playing pretend with my kids right now, okay? Don't mind me. Yeah. Look, Daddy loves chicken. Daddy loves chocolate. I don't know if he loves chocolate. Oh, Daddy like ice cream. Where Dad at? He got his ice cream. Where Dad at? Daddy, where you ice cream, Daddy? And your cupcake, Dad. And your pop. Your chicken, your cupcake, your ice cream, your pop. Oh my goodness. And you potatoes.